Hey guys, the following video is brought to you by American Collectors Insurance. Stick around towards the end for some more information.
My name is Don Shooter. I live in Gallatin, Tennessee. I'm a retired irrigation contractor, 93 years old. I sold my company when I was 89, and now my interest is in things like this 56 Chevy. Back in 1956, I bought a new 56 Chevy Bel Air, this color, and I always liked the car and really thought I would like to have another one. So I started looking for cars in salvage yards and around one to restore. Over near Russellville, Arkansas, I found this Chevy convertible in a salvage yard in 2003. The reason it caught my attention was because the firewall plate had all of the right numbers for this color combination. So I bit the bullet and spent some money and brought it home with a couple of parts cars and started to rebuild it. I get a lot of attention. People like the color. It's one, I don't know, I got a whole wall of trophies in the bedroom. So it gets a lot of attention, a lot of thumbs up on the road. I like this exterior color and this particular combination. It just happens to be my favorite. The interior I think is great. I get a lot of people talk about that's a beautiful interior too. So I just think it's a pretty car. From a personal standpoint, I just think they're beautiful cars. I know that, and I have built my car about 99% stock. So, as you might imagine, I prefer going back like they were in the day. It's real popular, and at a place like this, if you count noses, you would probably find that there's more cars that are modified, you know, and that's okay if that's what your thing. But I'm old school. I like the stock car, and it drives good. I have no trouble keeping up on the freeway, so it's just a lot of fun. You're never done. So, but I mean, I don't know, I'd say maybe 3 years ago I was a usable and running car and in good shape. That was a great sense of accomplishment. If your goal is to go back for a stock car, then you want to look at how much rust and the condition of the mechanicals and stuff like that. That's important. Whereas if you're going to replace all that stuff with modern, you can afford to go a little different route in what you acquire. No, not a specific thing. I mean, it's won some best of show trophies and pretty good sized shows. My kids are all supportive and like the car too. So they'll get it one of these days. So it's been a lot of fun.
All right, go to www.americancollectors.com to get your free quote today and see how much you can save. Thanks for watching.